Imagine a world where innovation meets practicality, where your everyday rides become an experience and not just a means of transportation. From futuristic urban cruisers to groundbreaking electric conversion kits, the bikes of today are designed to redefine the way we commute, explore, and enjoy life. These bikes are not just tools, they're statements of creativity, engineering, and vision. In this video, we'll explore some of the most incredible bikes you need to see, each with features that could transform your understanding of mobility. Let's get started. Part 1. Electra Ponto Go, the stylish urban cruiser. The Electra Ponto Go is much more than just an electric bike. It's a statement of urban sophistication. This sleek Class 3 e-bike is designed for both efficiency and comfort, catering to riders aged 16 and above. At its core, it features a powerful 750W rear hub motor that offers riders two modes: thumb throttle for effortless cruising or pedal assist for those who want to work out. This combination ensures you can reach speeds of up to 26 mph with minimal effort, making it ideal for city commuting or weekend adventures. But what truly sets it apart is its exceptional range of 60 miles on a single charge, allowing you to handle daily errands or long rides with confidence. Safety has also been meticulously thought out, with integrated lights, turn signals, hydraulic disc brakes, and a rear brake light ensuring maximum visibility and control. The bike's front suspension fork absorbs bumps effortlessly, while the passenger-friendly frame makes it versatile enough for two. Priced at $2,699, the Electra Ponto Go strikes a perfect balance between style, practicality, and performance, an ideal choice for anyone looking to elevate their urban adventures. Part 2. Twee, redefining tandem biking. Tandem biking has never been this exciting or innovative. The Twee is a meticulously engineered bike that redefines how we think about riding together. Its low-frame design ensures easy mounting and dismounting, making it accessible for riders of all ages and fitness levels. What's truly revolutionary is its dual pedaling system, which allows both riders to pedal independently. This means no more arguments about who's putting in the effort. You can ride at your own pace while still enjoying the shared journey. Powered by a state-of-the-art electric assistance system, the Twee offers an incredible range of up to 124 kilometers on a single charge, making long rides a breeze. Starting and backing up is smooth and intuitive, thanks to its advanced engineering, and the adjustable seating ensures maximum comfort for both riders. Whether you're a couple exploring the countryside, friends riding through the city, or a family on a weekend adventure, the Twee promises an unparalleled tandem biking experience. And at just $210, it's a small price to pay for endless memories and shared fun. Part 3. Moto District Scrambler, the ultimate adventure companion. For those with an adventurous spirit, the Moto District Scrambler is the ultimate choice. This electric motorcycle is engineered to seamlessly switch between urban streets and rugged trails, offering unmatched versatility and power. At its heart is a robust 72V battery, providing an impressive range of up to 120 miles on a single charge. Whether you're cruising through city traffic or exploring off-road paths, the District Scrambler's top speed of 70 mph ensures you're always ready for a thrill. What makes this bike even more exciting is its adaptability. Riders can choose from 3 modes: e-bike for casual rides, moped for a moderate boost, and full motorcycle mode for high-speed adventures. Its adjustable EV air suspension and hydraulic brakes ensure a smooth, controlled ride on any terrain. Designed with style and durability in mind, the bike's aesthetic appeal is matched by its rugged functionality. At $6,195, the Moto District Scrambler is an investment in exploration, excitement, and freedom. Part 4. Switch e-bike conversion kit. Transform your ride. Imagine turning your regular bicycle into a high-performance e-bike without replacing the entire thing. That's exactly what the Switch e-bike conversion kit offers, a game-changing solution for anyone looking to upgrade their ride. The kit comes with everything you need: a motorized front wheel, a compact power pack that attaches to your handlebars, and a pedal sensor for smooth power engagement. Once installed, your bike is transformed into an electric powerhouse capable of reaching speeds of up to 15 mph and covering distances of 20 miles on a single charge. charge. The system is weather-resistant with an IPX6 rating, ensuring reliable performance in all conditions. Its lightweight design and ease of setup make it an attractive option for cyclists who want to embrace the benefits of electric biking without breaking the bank. With prices starting at $1,200 and discounts often available, the Switch e-bike conversion kit offers incredible value for those who want the convenience and excitement of an e-bike with the bike they already own. Part 5. BMW Definition C04, a sci-fi-inspired commuter. The BMW Definition C04 isn't just a scooter, it's a masterpiece of futuristic design and eco-friendly technology. With its bold lowrider silhouette and striking LED lighting system, it's a head-turner on city streets. But this electric motorcycle isn't all about looks. It delivers a range of up to 130 miles on a full charge and can be recharged in just 4 hours and 20 minutes, making it a practical option for urban commuters. Its roomy seat and ergonomic design ensure comfort even on longer rides, while the adaptive lighting system enhances visibility in any conditions. Inspired by sci-fi aesthetics, the C04 combines advanced functionality with an innovative design philosophy. Priced at $2,800, it's an accessible yet forward-thinking solution for anyone seeking a stylish, sustainable way to navigate city life. Conclusion: the future is here. These bikes are more than just modes of transport. They represent a future where mobility is smarter, more sustainable, and undeniably exciting. Whether you're drawn to the urban elegance of the Electra Ponto Go, the collaborative fun of the Twee, or the thrill-seeking versatility of the Moto District Scrambler, there's something here for everyone. So, which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and share this video with someone who loves innovative rides. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring.